Stop paying for AI video generators because I'm about to show you the best free AI video generator. Let's jump straight into it. As you can see, I'm not opening some complicated software. I'm not downloading anything. I'm literally inside Canva. Yep, Canva isn't just a design app. Just like designs, it lets people generate free AI videos too. On Canva, go ahead and click on Canva AI from the left-hand panel. Now, this is where you can generate free AI videos, but you'll want to follow my steps to get it right. First, click on Video Clip. Now you can choose your preferences here. After that, you can either do text to video or image to video. I'm going with image to video, so let's upload an image from here. Then paste your prompt in here. Then click on Generate. Hang on a sec, please like and subscribe. And there it is. Have a look at that. This was generated completely free. You can download it from here. Now, I need to know, how many of you had Canva installed this whole time and had absolutely no clue it could do this? Let me know in the comments.